Okay, now a very standard turn that needs to be in everybody's arsenal. The backside cutback. Out onto the shoulder, back to the whitewater to keep you in that power source of the wave. You want to surf in and out of the power source of the wave. Look at it a few different times here. So I maintaining my speed on the midline of the wall. I don't go too far down. Don't over rotate my upper body. Just push through the toes in a crouch, come out, extend back into the whitewater. Not scared of being too far back in the whitewater. Okay, let's watch this in super slow motion. So I have a lot of speed coming out of that pocket. I don't do a heavy bottom turn. It's just a light press off the bottom. I don't over rotate my upper body. Keep my arms relatively quiet and low. As that little shimmy just pushes me out onto the shoulder, I compress down over my back foot, touch the water with my back hand, press through the toes in the crouch and hold this tension through the rail line till I come redirected at the whitewater. I stand up tall here, make sure I'm over the tail. Hands again, they're calm throughout the whole maneuver. Staying over the back side of the surfboard, back to the whitewater. That back hand is going to come over my back toes again just to stabilize me as I eye up the next section. It's a very standard maneuver that you need to do to stay in the power source of the wave and not outrun the wave. It's one of the first basic maneuvers that every surfer should learn. Okay, again, I'm coming out of the pocket pretty fast. I see the wave is tapering, so I'm just going to project softly onto that shoulder. It's not a heavy bottom turn to set up a cutback. It's more of a lateral turn. So that little heel side shimmy without any rotation of my shoulders pushes my board out. Then I go into the crouch, which dynamically pushes water off the back of the surfboard. I hold the tension in the crouch through my toes, touching the water, pulling that board all the way back to the whitewater. In this instance, I come out of the crouch. There are other variations, of course. Not a full whitewater hit, but I just make sure I go all the way back there because you can see the wave is bowling up still next to me. So it sets me up to get more out of this ride rather than outrunning the wave. And it's also going to set me up to time the end section better. So now let's look at what the rest of the wave looked like and why I did the cutback and how it set me up for the rest of the wave. You can see I'm seeing. So here I go, pump, little slight pumping, not a lot of moves. Slight pressure through the toes, carry the rail all the way back to the whitewater. Then wait in the whitewater. See, I weight the tail a little bit there. I'm just waiting. I see the wave stand up, push just a little bit high. I see it here. Foot goes back. Lift the board up on the lip for a little end section hit. Controlling the board at the end of the wave, not flopping off. Exclamation point. Here's full speed. It's just steady, simple surfing. Everybody should be able to start to do this. Want to see these end sections ended fluidly.